Careline. Care your life best. Ningbo Careline Electric Appliance Company Limited, located in Antong Industrial Zone on the south bank of the Hangzhou Bay Bridge on the coast of the East China Sea, is committed to exploring the way of healthy and delicious food with innovative technology. It is a comprehensive home appliance company that focuses on the research and development, production, sales, and service of air fryers, including being named one of the top 10 kitchen small appliance export companies in China during the 13th five-year plan period, a famous export brand in Zhejiang, and drafting and releasing the group standard for portable steam fryers. Careline has an international professional verification factory with a total area of more than 120 acres and a construction area of 160,000 square meters. It is equipped with over 200 advanced injection molding machines, more than 110 hardware stamping equipment, with a monthly production capacity of 1.5 million units and employs more than 4,000 people. Its advanced intelligent production supply chain makes it one of the world's largest air fryer manufacturing bases. In 2021, its sales exceeded 2 billion yuan, and Careline has strategic partners with mainstream air fryer brands both domestically and internationally. In addition to hardcore intelligent manufacturing, Careline has a professional laboratory of 1,300 square meters and 145 advanced testing instruments and equipment. It maintains long-term cooperation with authoritative institutions such as SGS, UL, TUV, and the Zhejiang Institute of Inspection and Quarantine Science and Technology Research Institute, and CNAS laboratory qualification. As of 2021, Careline has a research and development team of nearly 100 people, with 20 invention patents for air fryers, 232 utility model patents, and 320 appearance design patents. It is also the standard setter in the air fryer industry. Its strong innovation and R&D capabilities make Careline a worthy industry champion. With a more intelligent supply chain and innovative products, Ningbo Careline Electric Appliance Company Limited is striving to become a highly influential Chinese company in the global small home appliance field through its air fryers. In the future, Careline and its independent brand Youban will continue to integrate the Western air fryer into Chinese cooking culture through technological innovation, allowing the world to taste authentic Chinese flavors.